In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an account statement, also known as a balance snapshot, from your Binance account. So whether you're keeping tabs on your investments or preparing financial documents, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Binance account. Make sure you're accessing it via the website, as this feature isn't available on the app. Once you're logged in, navigate to Wallet and then select Account Statement. Here is where the magic happens. This section allows you to customize how your statement will appear. You'll need to specify a few details such as the date for your account statement. Choose wisely. This selection determines the period you want to review. You'll also need to decide which accounts to include in your statement. You might have a master account, sub-accounts, or both, and each one can give you different insights into your overall holdings. After that, identify the types of wallets you want to include. Whether it's spot, futures, margin, or earn, these different wallets will present varied information based on your trading activities. Finally, don't forget to select the currency, be it Bitcoin, BTC, or Tether, USDT, that you want the values displayed in. It's important that you get this part right to ensure that the snapshot meets your specific needs. With your preferences all set, click either Search or Generate. This action will provide you a detailed view of your balances and positions as they stood on the specific date you chose. If everything looks good and you'd like to keep a record of it, you can move on to exporting the statement. To export, click on the Export button where you'll see options for downloading your statement. Typically, you can save it as a PDF, send it to an email, whether it's your registered Binance email or a third-party one, or even export it as an image, like a JPEG. Pick the format that best suits your needs. A quick heads up for those opting for the PDF format. Binance often requires you to encrypt or password protect this file, especially when sending it externally. This security measure is crucial for protecting your sensitive information. And keep an eye on the download link as well. It generally expires after about 7 days. If you're working with sub-accounts, keep in mind the permissions involved. As a master account holder, you usually have access to generate statements for all associated sub-accounts. However, if you're operating a sub-account, you'll find that you can only generate statements for your own account. With these steps in mind, you should have no trouble obtaining a comprehensive account statement from Binance. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful financial guides.